Hi gorgeous! So we have more shades of the 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick by Essence. This is the latest liquid lipstick that they have. Initially they released 8 shades that I have swatched in another video. It is this one here. I'm going to link it in the description box below. In that one I have done a wear test so you can see if this formula passes the eating test. In this video I'm gonna be doing lip swatches and arm swatches of the new shades. We have 6 new colors, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week, and the new liquid lipstick is cruelty free and vegan. It retails for €2.99. It is not yet released in the US, so I don't know how much it's gonna be in dollars. So let's start with the arm swatches. I'm going to remove first my bracelet. This one is Fiery Red, shade 9. The next one is the shade 10, Deep Rust. Let's continue with the shade 11, Misty Rose. And here we have the shade 12, Golden Rose. The next one is 13, Rusty Copper. And we also have the shade 14, Soft Red. We have 2 shades that are very similar in the arm swatches, Misty Rose and Dusty Rose. So I'm very curious to see them on the lips. And I'm going to remove what I have now. It is from a Dua Lipa recreation video. I'm going to post it in a few days. I'm very excited. I think it looks so nice for the summer. Let's remove the lip products. I'm taking a makeup wipe. I don't think I can remove it otherwise. This one didn't stain my lips. I'm happy about that. And now I'm going to exfoliate the lips. And this is the Cookies and Dreams Lip Exfoliator by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm just pressing this on the lip. We need to exfoliate before applying any liquid lipstick. Now I'm removing it, and the reason is because we want our lips to be extra smooth. Liquid lipsticks a lot of times can intensify the texture of the lips. I think they are super soft. I'm going to apply this lip balm by Catrice. It is the Lip Jam Hydrating Lip Gloss. So it's not a lip balm. I really like the scent of this. It smells like strawberries. Ooh, it's so glossy. So I'm going to let this for about a minute, and I'm going to remove it again. I just want to give back some hydration before the lip swatches. Now I'm taking a kitchen paper and I'm removing the hydrating lip gloss. My lips now are a lot smoother. I'm going to add just a little bit of concealer to cover the redness around my lips. I have removed some of the concealer that was applied on the lips. I'm taking now the shade 9, Fiery Red, and we have this beautiful red lip shade. Ooh, it is so vibrant. It doesn't stain the skin. Of course, you need to be fast so it doesn't fully dry. This one is a bright red orange lip color. It is definitely what the name says, Fiery Red. It's not fully opaque. I'm going to apply a second swipe. I think this is very normal because I haven't outlined my lips. Also, this one is a very different color than my own natural lip color. So I'm going to add a little bit on the center because I feel that this is where I don't have much color. We have a soft matte finish. It is very creamy and lightweight on the lips. You definitely need to apply a red lip pencil as a base for this lip shade. Let's do the transfer proof test. I have some color here because I have applied more product on the inner part of the lips. It looks a little bit crusty, I think, because I have applied more product to make it more opaque. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and now it's time to remove it and see if it is staining the lips. I'm hoping not, because I'm going to swatch 5 more colors. I'm taking a makeup wipe. Oh no, I applied too much. It is definitely not easy to remove. And let's go now to the shade 10, Deep Rust. I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of issues with this one. Ooh, super beautiful. We have here a chocolatey brown lip color. It is super delicious. It can look very nice with brown eyeliner on the eyes or a bronzy smoky eye look. It is fully opaque with one swipe and it is super smooth on the lips. About the scent, I have a little fly here. So about the scent, this one is, it has a very light chemical scent. It is almost scentless and the doe foot applicator is soft and easy to use to outline the lips and also to fill them in. It's a very nice doe foot applicator. And let's go now to the shade 11 Misty Rose. Let's remove this one first. This one is much easier to take off. And let's go now to the shade Misty Rose. This one is one of the dusty pink lipsticks that I think I'm gonna like this one. Let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty. It is very similar to my own natural color, my own lip color. I mean, if I say own and natural, it's the same. Okay. You can use the side of the doe foot applicator to outline the lips and also the tip if it is easier for you. Okay, that's a super pretty color. We have a dusty pink lip shade. I can see me using this for everyday makeup looks. I need to clean just a little bit the edges and it doesn't stain. That's nice. This one can look very nice with purple and pink eye looks, and let's see if it is kiss proof. Ooh, it is completely kiss proof. Just a sec. Yeah, we don't have any transfer. That's nice. It gives a nice soft matte finish. I like that. It is super smoothing, and this is also with one swipe. So let's go now to the 12 Golden Rose shade that I'm very curious to see the difference with this one. But first, let's remove it. Oh, that's super easy to remove. I have started not filling my lips. Sacrifices for the lip swatches. And let's take Golden Rose. I hope it is different on the lips. Oh, maybe it is just a little bit peachier. Oh yeah, that's why it is called Golden Rose. This is slightly different than the previous shade, Misty Rose. Of course, not everyone is gonna buy all of the shades of this liquid lipstick, but it's so similar to the previous one. Maybe this could be more cool toned and purpley. Let's do the kiss proof test. Nice! It is kiss proof! We have again a soft lip shade on the lips. I'm just not very excited that these lip shades are almost the same. I took off the shade Golden Rose off my lips, and now let's go to the shade 13 Rusty Copper. I'm a little bit scared to use this because of the previous shade, the Fiery Red. I'm hoping this is gonna be easier to have an opaque lip color. Okay, let's go for it. Ooh, that's so pretty. A very wearable red shade. This is such a beautiful red coppery shade. It has just a tiny amount of brown and it is very wearable. That's what I like. It also makes my teeth brighter. We love that. This is a very nice shade for a simple eye look, maybe just mascara on the eyes, and you can use them every day, mascara and this beautiful lip shade. It goes with my eye look even though I have blue eyeshadows today, also with my t-shirt. Let's do the kiss proof test. Check. Oh, just a second. I have a little bit on the outline. Maybe it is not fully dry yet. Kiss proof test, please. The Rusty Copper shade can look very nice for medium and darker complexions. I really like this shade. And before going to the next one, we need to remove this one. I look like a clown. It doesn't stain the skin though. That's very nice, even though it is an intense red lipstick. I'm going to do some touch-ups and I will see you in one sec. Now it's time for the shade Soft Red, and I'm excited to apply this after the Rusty Copper. So let's see how this one looks. Oh, it's very creamy and dreamy. You can also press your lips, before the formula dries out and transfer it almost everywhere. Then you can go with the tip of the brush to the outer corners. This is a deep orange red lip color. So I have swatched the previous one. It is a little bit lighter and also brownish, coppery red, not orange red. This one looks very nice. I have applied one swipe and just a little bit more to outline the lips, but it is always easier to use a lip pencil for darker lipsticks. I just didn't use a lip pencil today for the lip swatches video. This one is also a lip shade that you can use every day and it doesn't look too much. You can match it with black eyeliner on the eyes, mascara, something glittery and golden on the eyelid. Let's do now the kiss proof test. Okay, I think I have just a little bit on the outline because I applied more there, but it's not terrible. And these are my favorites: Deep Rust, Misty Rose and Rusty Copper. Let me know in the comments what are your favorites, and you can see more shades of this liquid lipstick here.